Hi guys, welcome to this episode. Today we're going to do a quick tutorial on the Canon 90D and we're going to be looking at focus points and how you can navigate and maneuver through those focus points. So let's get started and let's see what we can do with those focus points. Right, focus points, so important to your videography and photography, and with focus points it's really important that you navigate through them and you use them in balance to whatever you are shooting. It's really important that you control your focus points depending on what you are shooting. Don't just go for auto. Use the spot focus points, the evaluative focus points. All these different types of focus points will allow you to get different things in focus. You know, you want depth of field, you want certain things out of focus. When you're looking through your eye, not everything is always going to be in focus depending on length and distance. And that's the same with your lens. You do not want the whole of your frame to be in focus at times, and you may want certain things in focus and certain things out of focus, because that's how your eye works. And it's really important that your photographs or your videography encompasses those different elements as well. So how do I change my focus points? I'm shooting on the Canon 90D again, manual mode, and I'm going to click on my Q button and I'm going to select this icon here, and here are my focus points. Okay, really important that you navigate through these focus points, and you can literally touch screen. And the first one is your spot auto focus. This one I think has got 61 focus points. I might be wrong, someone can clarify that. Post a comment if I'm wrong on that one. But this is your focus points, one focus points. This is useful if you are doing a portrait and you want to capture a certain person in frame. For example, you might have people in a angle and people are stacked, and you want the middle person to be in focus. So you might sort of navigate to that one person and focus onto them. Quite useful. Okay. And the next one is your one focus point. This one you might use for a portrait, a studio photography, for example. For example, you are taking a headshot. Now, when you're doing that, you might want to focus onto the eye. And then, if you focus onto the eye, then you'll get a crisper image. If you think about whenever you look at somebody, what do you first look at? Their face. And what's the next thing you look at? Their eyes. You automatically draw to their eyes. So it's really important that you focus onto that subject's eye. Okay, the next one is selective zone focus points. This one is useful if you want a specific zone of element. So for example, if you have got, I don't know, maybe 3 skyscrapers and you want one skyscraper to be fully in focus and it's got a lot of detail, then you will select that one. Maybe you're doing a portrait, you got 50 people in a row and you only want the left side of that portrait to be in focus, then you would select that one there. Okay, again, if you go to the next one, which is your zone, larger zone, so this one allows you to capture larger zonal focus points, similar to the one I just showed before. And the last one is your autofocus. So this one the camera will basically do the work for you. I do use this now and then, tell you the truth, and I do use zonal focus points and I use spot focus points for depending on what I am doing. Okay, so you need to navigate through these different focus points in order to capture different types of focal point, focus point subject areas. Okay, you can also click on this icon here, and look and view it through your digital viewfinder. And again, if you click on that, you can also hover through it like so in order to view through your digital viewfinder, which is this button here over here. Okay, so that is your focus points tutorial. Any questions, please do post. I'm happy to respond. Hopefully this has been useful, or to your video and photography. So the same principles apply for videography as well. But you have to put it in manual mode for that as well. And you can do all those things in videography mode, and you can change the focus points depending on what you're shooting as well, and get those nice depth of field shots of people or subjects in and out of focus, which is really, really nice. Any questions, please do post. and I'm happy to respond. Thanks a lot, guys. See you for the next one. Bye-bye.